tears a neuron, that neuron is going to send electrical messages up to the brain. And so even though I cut the leg off, the brain doesn't know that. And so the legs are going to keep sending messages back and forth, right? And so it's going to try to get information to the brain even though the brain's not there. So now that we've warmed the leg back up, those neurons will start firing again, and we should be able to listen in to how the brain actually functions. So I'm going to take the leg, I'm going to put a couple of pins on the leg, and so these are a positive and negative pin, which you remember from science. You need 2 points for electricity. So I'm going to put one reference right here in what we call the coccyx, which is back where we don't think there are neurons. I'm going to put one into the femur where I do think there are neurons. I'll put that there. All right, can you guys see that so far? So that's just the calf-first leg. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on the speaker and we're going to listen to what the brain sounds like. Can everyone hear that? And so when I ask people what these sounds like to them, they give me a couple of answers. They say it sounds like raindrops, or it sounds like frying bacon. But that's actually how the brain, that's how your brain sounds. If I were to put a wire into your brain, you would hear the exact same sounds, because the neurons that are inside of your brain are very, very similar to the neurons that are inside this cockroach. Isn't that bizarre? Yes, it's the beauty of nature. Things are conserved. All right, so now what we can do is we're not only gonna listen to it, we're gonna actually turn on this iPad here, which I plugged in, and we're gonna hopefully see that as well. Oh, that's so beautiful. All right. So now what we're looking at here, you can see those little spikes that are going by. Those are the active potential, those spikes, those messages that are being sent from the leg to the brain, even though the brain's in here. And so what would happen, do you think, if I were to touch that leg? Maybe it sends a message. We'll find out. So I'm going to go ahead and touch the leg. Whoa, you guys see that? So what you're actually looking at is information. So that's information being encoded in spikes being sent to the brain. So you imagine this is me touching a leg. So the same if I were to touch Harrison at the shoulder. He feels that because he has a neuron there sending it to his brain. So the same thing when you see things, these neurons fire. And so this is how everything works from the sensory input into the brain. All right, so let's go back to slides really quick. Turn this off. We're going to come back. We're going to do more experiments. All right, so this is it. So this is the when people first see the spikes for the first